Held in jail for almost 900 days, and he's not charged with anything.
Instead, he is a possible witness in a murder case. Tim Becker going beyond the headlines tonight.
It is mind-boggling, isn't it, to think about somebody being behind bars for 900 days, not even charged with a crime. How does that happen in the first place? That's a question I brought to a professor here at Lewis and Clark Law School.
Normally, though, the speedy trial provision would act as kind of a limit on how long a witness could be held.
Professor Tung Yin tells me Benito Vasquez Hernandez is being held in Washington County Jail under a material witness statute. His son is accused of murdering a Hillsborough woman named Maria Bolanos Rivera, who was reported missing in the summer of 2012. Her body still has not been found, and police believe testimony from Vasquez Hernandez will be the key to help convict his son of murder, but ask the judge to keep him behind bars because he's a flight risk.
The material witness statute is designed to allow either side, the government or the defense, to say, hey, judge, we need this person to show up for trial. Here's why we think they're not going to show up for trial. So can you just hold them until trial?
We want to make sure that the government has a high burden to meet before they can hold someone.
Jan Carson says the ACLU has long questioned the use of jails for detention of material witnesses who've never committed a crime.
We put electronic monitoring bracelets on individuals to track their whereabouts. So there seem to be other options available. I hope that those were explored.
The option of incarceration in this case is magnified by the lengthy legal proceedings. The trial for Eloy Vasquez Santiago is finally set to begin next week, more than 2.5 years after his father was held as a witness. Oregon's speedy trial provision is 90 days, but not necessarily in a row.
There will be times when the judge, either by motion of the parties or on his or her own, can stop the clock for a various list of reasons.
The attorney for Vasquez Hernandez told me today he hopes his client can testify and be released sometime next week. The trial begins Tuesday, so we'll follow the case and let you know what happens. Tim Becker, KOIN 6 News.